Uh, Hi. This is 47 Emerald on Windows. This video might take up my entire storage and it might take a while to upload, so please bear with me. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Friday Night Funkin mod because I am just that, person to teach you. So I'm going to assume you already have the source files, but just in case you're a complete idiot and you don't, I'm going to show you how, all right? So first thing you want to do is open up your browser or whatever. I use Chrome, don't judge me. And we're going to search up, I'm going to be using Kdengen, all right? That's what I use. It works, all right? I don't use anything else. I just use Kdengen. So we're going to search up Kdengen source files or source code. I'm sorry. Listen, I'm sleepy today, all right? So we're going to go here. The version that I use, and it's my personal favorite, we're going to go over here to releases. I like to use 1.5, and the reason for that is because it's more stable than the rest of these, and it's more easier to work with. So I like to use the 1.5 release, which is this one. I already have it downloaded and stuff, but this is where you get the if depending on your operating system, this is where you get the files and stuff for it. So once you have that downloaded, it should be already in here somewhere. Right here. So for me, it's Kdengen 1.5.zip. You extract that, and it should be somewhere in here. It's not. Uh-oh. Yes, it is. All right, I lied. It's right here. I'm gonna refresh this because for some reason it's not in its right. What the hell? Refresh. All right. Right there. So, Kdengen 1.5. This is your basic workspace. This is where you're gonna be doing all your coding and stuff. Once you get that downloaded, you have to, and you cannot leave this out, but you need to go into the I don't know where okay, so there's basically a couple of commands you need to run before you open up anything. So as you can see, there's like no application here. That's because you have to like code it in. I use PowerShell because it's more blue rather than black. I'm not trying to sound racist, but you know. um, 1 second while I find the stupid thing that I'm looking for. Rightio then. All right, so once you come back to this home page here, you go into you go into Docs, you go into Guides. Wrong thing. I'm sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm really sleepy. All right. Building, and this is where you get all your freaking code and stuff from. So you need to do all of this crap in this. Also, before anything else, before you even do any of that, you need, I don't know how to pronounce this, Hax 4.1.5. You need Git. You need something to code with. I use Visual Studio. You can also use Visual Code or you can use Notepad, but I would rather use something like Visual Code because Notepad is like really confusing. So, once you get all that stuff done, then you run these commands, all right, and you follow these directions, and then you should be good to go. For me, I already have all this stuff done, so all I really need to do is just lime test dash. Correct me, I have my soundboard on. I'm sorry, I'm using voice mod so that I can hear my own voice, just to make sure that my microphone isn't like dying on me. Please excuse that disgusting thing. All right. So lime test windows dash debug. And then once you type that in, it's going to process that for about 30 seconds or more. And then it's going to show all this random text in this box right here. Once you see all the random text, that's how you know it's compiling. When it's compiling, that means it's trying to build the game and it's going to, put the you see it's already here, the export folder. Folder! God, I can't talk. I'm like really dead today. So I'll come back when it is compiling. Alrighty, so this is now compiling. This is what I was talking about when This is what I was talking about when I said you're gonna start seeing like random text everywhere. This is how I'm gonna minimize that and minimize this. This is how you know that it's compiling when you see all of this crap right here. Now this is gonna take about like I said, 30 seconds or more, depending on the quality of your computer. But once this is all done compiling, it's gonna automatically open up the game, and it's gonna be like you have it on your computer. Yay! While we wait, how's your day going? Yeah, you ready to get started on your own mod? Yeah, that's awesome. Glad to hear it. If you guys actually like want to see more stuff like this, please do let me know. I'm not afraid to make tutorials, all right? I'm not that kind of guy. Also, I already made a mod. If it's called versus Nate the Great. It's on GameJolt and Game Banana, and I'm also working on my own personal mod. It's not out yet, but it's a work in progress. So please do make sure to go play that stuff too. It's pretty cool. Also, Nate, if you're watching, pay attention, because I don't want to make any more mods for you. Not to be rude, but your mod was pain. I'm sorry, it was just a pain to make. Okay, this needs to hurry up. Coffee break. I don't drink coffee, but you know. Yeah, so remember when I said this was gonna take about 30 seconds? I might have lied. If you're running this for the first time, it's probably gonna take about 5 minutes. Um, it's been like 3 minutes already and it's still compiling. Um, can you like hurry up? I don't have patience. By the way, before that's done compiling, one quick note. When you open up PowerShell, make sure it's in your directory folder, like where all this stuff is. If it's not gonna work. So you go into your extracted folder, you go into Kdengen 1.5 where you see all of this stuff. You click on File, open Windows PowerShell, wait for this to load, and then you type in lime test windows -debug. If you do it in a completely different folder, it's not gonna work. All right, I'm just telling you that now. I forgot to mention that earlier. That's my fault. I'm sorry for those who got confused. But that's how you do that in the correct folder where the Project.xml thing is. Because if you don't, it's gonna give you an error and it's gonna say that you suck, and it's gonna make you feel sad. Bro, I just ate a full course meal and this thing is still compiling. Ah. Oh God. It's done. Okay. Wait, hold on. I have to fix my stuff. Hold on a second. Okay. Um, I can't hear anything, but I know you can. But this is just to show you that this is a clean install. You're gonna get this message because it's 1.5. But this is just a clean install of Kdengen, and there's no modifications in here. If you Can you freaking shut up, stupid chat? If you get anything in the debug error log, that's just ignore it because it has nothing to do with the game. It's just saying that there is missing stuff in the code, which will not affect anything. But as you can see, everything here is the same as it is in the normal game. There's no modifications, no new songs, no new weeks, no new characters. Um, it yeah, clean install. To close the debug menu, you hit this like little swirl line thing on your keyboard. I forget what the heck it's called. Or you can hit, I think it's F2. You can also hit F2 to close the thing. So, now that we know that that works, we are going to go into, and this is where things get confusing. I'm sorry, I was playing freaking versus the Rascals. Leave me alone, I was bored. So we're gonna go back into our mod folder. Cough. And the first thing you want to do, well, first off, you can't mod if you don't have your character. If you don't have your character already done, you can't begin. Um, if do I have time? Yeah, I'll do it. All right, so let me show you how to make a character. All right, I think I already have the stuff in here for Nate. I'm just gonna use him as an example. Yeah, I do. Yeah, we're gonna use Nate as an example. All right. Nate, if you're watching, don't blame me. All right, I don't have any other assets on me. So, if you don't have Adobe Animate, get it. That is your friend. That is your buddy. That is your friend until the end. You will need Adobe Animate to animate characters. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. You can get it for free, but that would be pirating, and that's kind of sort of what I did. But don't tell anyone I said that. um, but yeah, I use Adobe Animate and like any other normal person to animate their characters in XML files. This is also where you can make stuff like the logos and the girlfriend on the title screen and stuff. You can edit the files in here. Um, can you hurry up though? I don't have time, Adobe. 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 Thank you. All right. Not responding. What the hell? Can you respond, please? I'm trying to make sure this isn't lagging. Adobe! You will respond whether you like it or not. If you don't respond, I'm taking you to the dungeon. All right, that's it. Oh, so you don't want to go to the dungeon. Okay. So, once you get this open, you press File, New. It doesn't matter what, I think it does, actually. Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm waiting for the thing to pop up. Adobe, you're killing me with your slowness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so I like to use 1280 by 720. I don't know if that affects the way your sprites will look, but that's what I use. Frame rate 24, platform type, action script 3.0. All right. Then you press create. Make sure that's in character animation. If it's not, you're retarded. All right. I'm sorry. um. So what I did, if this will hurry up, what I like to do is I draw the sprites and just split them up into different parts. Like this is all different parts for different poses. So what I like to do is I just which one is this idle pose? That head what wait, I'm missing stuff. No, I'm not. Okay, so make sure that you name the layers, because if you don't, you are going to be very confused. Why is caps lock on? Whoops. Head. All right. Then you're going to drag in the head, and then you're going to reposition this however you want. I'm going to make this a bit smaller just to make it fit. All right. And you want to make sure you put the parts on different layers. That is very important. Different layers. This is going to be the torso. If you don't put it on different layers, you screwed up. All right. Torso. And want to make sure that this fits. That's what she said. If this doesn't fit, then okay. First off, this is the wrong. See, I already messed up, guys. I want to go home. All right. I forgot to put the neck on the head, so this is what I was looking for. Then we're gonna rename this to head. Yes. All right. That's perfect. All right. You scale this. You make a different layer, and then you do this for like the rest of the body parts. That's completely spelled wrong because I am such a retard. Torso. All right. Torso.png. Why is there another one of this in here? What? I deleted that. I swear to God I did. All right. Torso. Um, this can also go. I don't know why this stuff is still in here. Scale this to make it fit to however you want it to look. That seems a bit big. It's gonna make that fit just, yep, that should do it. All right, now for the legs. And we're just gonna repeat this step until you get all your parts in. I should probably like play some music in the background. What music do you guys want to listen to? I got lo-fi. Yeah, I'll play some music in the background once I'm done with this. All right, legs, and now for the hand. Yada yada yada. No, why is that even plural? That's a grammar mistake. Yeah, that's way too big. That's what she said. All right, we're gonna scale this again. Put this here. That's still too big. All right, that's fine, I guess. This is only a test, so I already did this with Nate's mod. This is what he looks like, but you know, I want to put the hand behind the torso because it looks weird if I don't. All right, once you got all your parts in there, follow my steps very carefully, because if you don't, you're gonna mess up and it's gonna look awkward. Hand. Make sure you click on each body part and convert it to a symbol. So to do that, you click on it. This is the head. You right click, convert to symbol, name it something that you won't forget. Head. It should look like that in the library tab. You want to do the same for the rest of the body parts. So this is the torso. Torso. And then you do legs. I swear to God, if this isn't recording, I'm gonna cry. It is recording. Okay. Yes. So head, legs, torso. Give me the hand. Convert to symbol. Hand. All right. Once you do that, don't touch anything. You come over here. You click on the top layer. You hold down Shift. I like to use left Shift. So you hold down left Shift and then you click on the bottom layer. Copy layers, and then don't delete them. You want to highlight this entire thing and convert the whole thing to a symbol. Name it something without any spaces. If you put spaces in it, the game is gonna be like, what is this? It's trash. No, take that out of here. It's not gonna read it. So this is his idle pose. So I'm gonna just name this Nady_idle. All right. And now it should appear as the full thing in this library tab. Now, whatever layer you put that in, or whatever layer is highlighted after you do that, as you can see, these things down here are grayed out. The things that are grayed out, you want to delete. So hold down Shift, delete. All right. You go, this is hard to explain. You double click on this, and then this should change. You want to paste your layers inside of here. As you can see, it's going to duplicate. Delete where it says layer 1. All right. Then you're going to want to completely highlight this and recenter it. I'm sorry if this is confusing to any of you. If you are actually following along, good job. You're a good boy. Or girl. I don't know. No, actually, let me not say that. Anyways, so this is where we're going to animate him bopping his head. So to add frames, you press F5. See? And I like to do like 15 frames per animation. Sometimes I do 10, but sometimes I like to do 15. So we're gonna drag this until this number says 5. You want to drag these frames, drag and select these frames, and press F6. It's gonna split it. See that? It's split in half. All right. Now on this section, we're gonna zoom in just a tiny bit here. Yep, that's perfect. Now, make sure over here, like where it starts off at, he's already bopping his head. Like, I'm gonna move his head downwards a little bit, as well as his hand. No, what? Yeah, as well as his hand. Frick, why? Why are you doing this to me? We're gonna move that just a little bit and push it down just a tiny bit. And then we're gonna highlight his legs and torso. Highlight the legs and torso, and then we're going to just squish this a little bit. Just the tiniest bit. And now it should look something not like that. That is absolutely atrocious. don't do what I just did. Okay, his head and hand is moving. This needs to go up a tiny bit. Not that much though. Oh, that's really something, isn't it? Maybe let's move the head down. See, this is what coding looks like, guys. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's much better. All right, so after you do that, as you can see over here, he's already bopping his head, but over here he's not. See that? Now if we play it, and we play it on loop, it should look something like this, right? But that's not how it's going to look in the game. So after you're done with that, you're going to highlight everything. You're going to right click, create classic tween. The selected frames cannot be tweened. What the? Oh! All right, this is retarded. I swear I already just if you get this message, just press OK and then convert these to frame by frame animation, keyframe each frame, delete all this crap. I don't know why the heck it just did that. Remove frames, and then just do it all over again. I don't know. Oops. Oopsie daisy. All right, yeah, just remove all that. 15 frames, 5 frames, split F6. Move this all over. No! Now he's. I'm gonna have a stroke. I'm going to actually have a stroke, guys. Alright, hold on. I gotta move his head. I gotta move the head. That's just. I don't know why it's like that. Grown. We're gonna just. Yep, just expand this a little bit. Alright. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's split this in half. And then we're going to come over here, edit the positions of the parts. Yep, and it should just look something like that. Nice, right? Nice. All right, and then highlight everything, and then create a classic tween. Now it should look very smooth. Yeah, like that. That's better. All right. So once you do that, that's his idle pose. It's done. You don't do anything else. You see where it says scene 1 in Nady idle or whatever you named your idle pose? You click on scene 1 and it takes you back to this thing. Don't worry, it's not gone. If you double click on it, it's still there. All right? Don't be scared. That's what I did. Now you want to do the same exact thing for the rest of your poses, except when you let's hide that. Create a new frame for each of the things. So this is the head, or let's name it. Which one do I want to do? We're gonna do. Let's do up. So we're gonna do up head, right? So this is gonna be up _ head, and then we're going to drag this here, rescale it, yada yada yada. Same process all over again. Different layer, duh. Up torso. Wherever that is. If you have any questions on anything that I'm saying in this video, please let me know in the comments. I will try and answer as many as I can. I probably won't be able to get to all of them, but yeah. So this is going to be up underscore legs, and then drag that here. God, that's small. That's really small. That's what she said, though. I gotta stop. I really gotta stop. I'm gonna get freaking age restricted, bro, if I keep saying stuff like that. We're gonna put this behind the torso to make it look more professional. Yep. All right. Up head, up legs, up torso. We're missing the hand. What? Where is his? Oh God, I'm so blind. Oh, I thought I was scared for a second. Up hand goes above torso. All right, now I'm just visually confused. Does this go up here? Yes, it does. All right, so up pose. Once you got all that stuff in there, do the same exact thing you did with the idle pose. Convert each and every part to its own symbol. But don't name it the same exact thing as you did the others. Name it something completely different. So this is going to be like up head. Or you don't have to put a slash. You can be just up head. This is the legs. No, that's the torso. Hello. These are the legs. Yes. Up legs. And then this is up torso. And then this is up hand. All right. We're going to copy all these before I forget. Don't copy the layer that you put your idle pose on. In fact, let me rename this. We're just going to rename this to idle because I will get confused. Copy all this. Copy. And then you're going to want to convert this whole thing to a symbol. Name it your character / up. All right. And then it should be over here. Now we're going to delete the empty layers. And we're just going to name this to up. We're going to go in here, paste all this, delete this, and center this. Boom. See, I'm smart. So for poses, right, for like the notes, I like to do 10 frames instead of 15. So we're going to do 10, and then we're going to cut it at 3. And then you don't have to do much for the poses for when he hits the arrows. You can just move his head a little bit, move his arm, move his body. Well, you don't really have to move the body, but we're gonna move the stuff just a little bit. A little bit more. And scale this down. And voila. Movement. And then do create classic tween. And then it should. Oh yeah, that's his up pose. So just do that exact same thing for the rest of your stuff. And then once you're all finished, you want to, well, first of all, let's organize this. We're gonna create a folder here. New folder, and we're just gonna name this like poses. And then we're gonna paste all the stuff in here. Only paste where it says your character and then its position. All right. Don't do anything else. And then you just want to select both of these. Right click, generate sprite sheet. And then you should see all this stuff here. Wow, look at that. It's downright gorgeous. All right. And then once you go to preview, make sure it's like all cool and stuff. Wow, look at that. It's just bloody gorgeous. All right, so when you export it, make sure it has these exact same settings. So Sparrow version 2, basic, trim, stacks, yeah, all that. All right. I like to export this to Hit Engine, assets, preload, data, no, wrong. Images, no, also wrong. Shared, images, characters, and then just paste it in here. Make sure it's named your character and its assets. If not, the game is going to have a stroke. And then you want to hit export. It should export both your sprite sheet and your .xml file. I already have all that for Nate, so we're just going to close this out. All right. And we're going to close Adobe because that is no longer needed. So yeah, that's how you animate in Adobe Animate for your characters. That sounded weird to say. So now I want to find Nate's stuff. So we're going to go into my old thing. And we're just going to take his assets out of here. Nope. And we're going to just copy and paste it over to my thing. Don't do this, by the way. This is just for me. I'm trying to put his assets in Engine. So this is characters, and then you want to paste that here. All right. So once you paste your character and your and its .xml file, I'm talking too much. You go to assets, preload, data, scroll all the way down, go to character list.txt or text, however you want to say it. Put your character's name in all lowercase. All right, then you hit save. Ugh. And then if you want to give your character an icon, what I use, it's somewhere in my desktop. So if you go into FNF mod stuff, oh, no, it's not there. What? Icon grid. Okay, so I like to use this, right? So this is like an icon grid that helps you determine where your characters are. So for me, I use paint.net because it's easier than any other program you will find. All right. And then what I do, I drag this here open. God, that is humongous. Jesus Lord. And then I drag, no, don't drag that. Don't, if you drag that, it's going to crash the game. You want to go into documents, your Engine folder, assets. I think it's in preload. Yes. Grab the icon grid from your source folder, your game folder. Don't grab from anywhere else. Your game folder is top priority. You drag this here, add a layer, and you see how they're all positioned. Now, I'm gonna redo this just as an example. I'm not gonna save it though. So I have Nate's icons in I think it's in this folder. No, because you're stupid. You're just so stupid. It's in this folder. No, I don't know where I put them. Nate Mad Dead icon. Where's his? I have too much stuff. Really, I just I have way too much stuff. I don't know what I did with his icons. That's not it. Give me 1 second until I find them. I'm sorry. All right, so I'm absolutely just retarded. They were in this folder this entire time. So, you drag your character icon, make sure it's a layer. All right. God, that is big. All right, you want to make sure it's not too small, but it's also not too big. And then you place it in an empty spot. Make sure it's not squished or anything. And then do the same for your dead icon or your danger icon, however you want to say it. They don't exactly have to be the. So this doesn't okay. This icon doesn't have to be the exact same height or width as this icon. As long as they're in the same spot, they're fine. All right. So I can make this smaller or whatever. All right. So, and then once you do that, once you have those there, you see this like little layer box down here. You scroll until you find the background. You uncheck it, and then boom, you hit save, save as, yada yada yada, PNG, desktop, icon grade guide. Okay. If it asks to flatten it, just flatten it. It doesn't matter. And then boom, you're done. And then you just replace it. All right. So that's how you do the icons. So now we are going to get into the difficult stuff, meaning we're actually going to have to code your character inside the game. I'm getting tired. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go into source folder, and we're going to find, I passed it, character.hx. I'm going to use Visual Studio because it's so much better than Notepad. Trust me, you will. It's a lifesaver. All right. I like to use 2019. You can use whatever you want. Yeah. Also, I forgot. So forgot. If you're using Visual Studio, you have to have the right library plugins. It should be in the in here somewhere, right? Yeah, these. You see this stuff? Use it for Visual Studio. If you don't, it's good. You're out of luck. I'm sorry. Continue without code. And then it should open up a whole new window, I think. Yep. All right. You drag this to the side. You drag in your character.hx. Give it a second. This is going to take some time. All right. Minimize this. So, words, right? Am I right? There's a lot of words in here. So, you're going to scroll until you find this stuff. So you see where it says case girlfriend Christmas? Scroll down all the way down until you see case parents Christmas, or whatever the last character in this function is. You're going to want to copy the dad's code. That's what I like to do. Because it's a lifesaver. So we're going to copy wherever the heck it is right here. Copy this entire thing. And they're going to need to shut up in a chat before I shoot somebody. So you're going to want to copy that whole thing. Scroll until you find Parents Christmas. Enter twice. And then paste. Replace where it says dad with the name of your character that you put in character list .text. If it's not the same as that, Kate Engine will have a stroke and it will die. All right. Preload data character list .text. Whoops. Nady. Copy. And just paste that there. Now, if you put your stuff in the right folder, which is assets, shared, images, characters, this stuff. Copy the name of your character sprite sheet, and then go in here and replace Daddy Dearest with the name of it. Do not put PNG. If you put PNG, Kate Engine will have a stroke. So, you see where it says dad idle, dad sing note up, dad sing. You see all that crap. So right click on your XML file, open it with Notepad because it's easier like that. Copy your the name of your the poses. So for me, Nady down, that's the name of my down pose. So find where it says dad sing note down and replace it. And then you want to do the same thing for the rest of the stuff. So Nady idle, Copy and replace this with that. And we're gonna go nady left. No, that's still idle, you idiot. Nady left. It doesn't matter what order they're in, by the way. Left. And then up and right. All right, I'm gonna put some music on. Hold on. All right, I put music on. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I can't. I know you can, but I can't hear it because I'm on a different audio thing. So, sing up. Where's that at? Maybe sing up. Copy and paste that here. Boop. Do not change these numbers whatsoever. Do not. That is a negatory move. You will crash the game if you do. Alright, so he's in character.hx, so you save it. You minimize that. Don't close it because you're gonna need it later. Duh. You can close this now. So for the icon, to assign him an icon, you go to source health icon.hx. First of all, I don't have my icon sheet in here. I don't think so. No, I don't. Okay, so give me 1 second. I need to put that in here. Make sure you have your icon sheet in preload and images, or else the game will not read it. Copy. Assets. Preload. Images. Icon grid. Replace. Oh yeah. Okay, so mine has extra icons on it because it's from Nate's mod, so it has his icons from when he's on Broken Mind. So we're not gonna use those though. Sorry. So, like I said, you go to source health icon.hx and drag it in your code thing. See all these words, these big fancy words? Copy the last one where it says Monster Christmas. Oops. Monster Christmas. Make a space and paste it. Change it to the name of your character. My name is Nady. Or my character's name is Nady. And then these are the numbers for the icons on a grid. So if you put new icons, so hold on. Engine 1.5, assets, preload, images, icon grid. So this would be 24, this would be 25. See where I'm going with this? So if that's 25, this would be 26, and this would be 27. This would be 28, and this would be 29, and then so on. So we're going to use 26 and 27. And then save that. All right, that's all for health icon. Now, if you want to add a custom week, I'll get to that in a second. First, let me compile it and make sure I didn't break anything. So to compile it, you go back to this page, you open up PowerShell, File, PowerShell, and then you do the same thing you did before. Line test Windows-debug. And then it should compile. If it gives you an error, then you did something wrong. Go back and fix it. See what you did wrong, find the error. Oh, yep, see, I did something wrong. That's what I was talking about. So character.hx 503. What did I do wrong here? Oh. Wait. Wait. Sorry, I'm trying to verify this. Hold on. Hold on. Because if you copy what I did, then you probably got the same exact error. So just give me 1 second. All right, so I found the error. Make sure you have apostrophes before the names of your things here. So mine didn't have one, therefore CadeEngine was like, what the heck is that? And then it just gave me an error. So save that. And then, why do I have two of these windows open? Close that. And then we're going to do line test windows again. Now it should work. Hopefully. I think. It should. Gosh, I'm so tired. I've been speaking for like the past whole hour. Is this what popular YouTubers feel like? I guess. Yep, now it works. Alright, so let it compile. Don't touch anything within this with this window. Just let it run. I'm sorry, what happened to the music? Oh, I was about to say. It just restarted. Great Scott, Morty. Oh, Jesus. Okay. There we go. We're gonna turn this down. Alright. So, if you did everything correctly, you shouldn't get a null object reference error when you try and load your character. So to test it, we're gonna go into free play, and we're gonna choose any song. It really doesn't matter. We're gonna use Spookies, because why not? Alright, press 7. Change Spooky, or whatever that says, player 2. Change it to your new character, Nady. That's broken. That is... Uh-oh. That is really broken. Alright. Yep, just ignore it. Ignore it. Let's just go. I have to fix the icon. It should work, though. If you get a null object reference error, then you did something wrong. As you can see, he's over there, but he's, like, levitating. That's because we need to fix offsets. Oh, Jesus. And he's moving. Yay. Oh god, I suck. Alright, anyways. So, whoa. Why is... Oh. Anyways. So he works. I just need to fix the icon. Give me 1 second. Alright, I think I fixed it. I think. I could be wrong, but I think I fixed it. Oh god, I'm gonna turn this down. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. Huh. That is so weird. Why is it not reading his icon? Weird. Did I assign it to the right thing? Hold on. Okay, engine, source, health icon. Huh. That is really weird. Yeah. So since my icons aren't working, I'm just gonna use uh, uh, I'm gonna use 10 and 11. It's the template icons. So I'm only using these because mines aren't working. I don't know what I did. If yours aren't working, I would try redoing the icon grid again. Make sure that it's the right name and it has the right dimensions and stuff, and then run it through Kdengen. So we're gonna try this again. That is so weird how it wasn't working. Like I got it working before, so why is it not working now? Weird. Yeah, that's really weird. All right. Waiting for this to compile. Yipperoonie. Oh god. Okay. For a second I thought I broke it. Oops. Yep, just use the I'm just gonna use the default icons for right now. I'll fix it later. But as you can see, your character is now loaded in and the animations work. But you're asking yourself, why the heck is he ascending over here? Well, that's because we have no offsets. We need offsets. Without offsets, your character is going to be trash. Oh, god. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so anyway, to add offsets, during the song, you press 8. You see this? This is the offset menu. So, here, this is only in the debug version, by the way. It's not in the official release version. So here, you press WASD to get to show all the different poses that you have. And up here is showing the position of each pose. So like if the down pose is like way up or way down here instead of up where it needs to be, you press shift or you hold shift and then you press one of the arrows. So I'm going to use up to put him in the right thing. And then you do the same thing for the rest of the poses. That way he's not his poses aren't going in different directions. So, once you have all that, do not close it. Do not close the game. Alright? We're gonna go to... Oh, I forgot where it is. Okay, yeah, no, it's here. So, see where it says add offset? So, we're gonna go in here, and we're gonna change these numbers to what these numbers say. So idle is 0, 0, so there's nothing there. Sing down is 0 and 20 instead of 0 and -30, so let's change that. Alright. Sing right is 0, 27. That's the same. Sing up is -6, 0. We're going to change this. Alright. And sing down. I just did that. Left, right, left. I'm trying to make sure that this is all the right thing. Hold on. Yep, it's all correct. Alright, it's alright. So, once you have that, close the game and save this. And then that's only for when the character makes different poses though. That's not fixing the ascending thing. If you want to fix your character's position within the game, you go to source and you find where it says playstate.hx. You drag this into here and then you find, or you press Control F. Let's do Senpai. Find where it has the positions of each. Oop, I passed it. The positions of each character. So that's up here. So for me, that's around like line 750. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you, but it should be somewhere around there. You copy the dad's. No, I lied. You copy spirits. So you just copy this entire thing, enter, and paste. Change it to your character's name. And just, you have to tinker around with this. So, the X is, adjusting whether your character is going to go right or left. The Y is adjusting if your character is going to go up or down. Alright? That's how that works. I'm going to find Nate's actual, coordinates. Give me 1 second, because it's somewhere in his, source code. Okay, so, for Nate, it's, 10 and 29. So this is 10, and then this is 290. Was it 290 or was it 29? I think it was 29. No, it was 290. Alright, so I'm right. Yeah. So 10 and 290 is Nate's coordinates. You can fidget around with this and make sure your character is in the right place. Once you do that, you save it, and then compile once more, -debug. And then wait for that thing to compile. It's gonna take a minute, depending on your computer. So. I forgot to remind my mom something. Okay. Now, he should no longer be ascending in the air. He should be on the floor like a normal person. A normal person. That's how you say it, not freaking nerd or whatever the heck I said. Alright, let's set this. Oh, good God. Why is he down there? Okay. That's weird. I have to adjust that again. See, this is what I was saying when I said that you have to adjust your character positions to make sure that they're in the right place. because for some reason he's down there and not on level with boyfriend. Alright, so, let me fix that really quick. Let's make this 250. No, 50, not 60. The what? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, now I think this should work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry me a river. Yep, that's just it. I will cry me a river. Voila. Yeah, that's fine. I'll take it. I'll take what I can get. I'll still adjust it later, but you know, this is what I have so far. But that's how you adjust your character's position. If he's in the wrong place, you know, you can just go in the files and edit the numbers again. Look at him just singing so happy. Okay, so now that we have our character coded in, what you're thinking is you want to create a new week for that character, right? So what we do, or what I did, you go in, this is the wrong thing. You go into Engine, you go into source, wrong. You go to assets, preload, and data. You go down here, you put the name of your songs in freeplay song list.txt. Alright, so for Nate, I'm gonna create another week, so it would be like week 7 since Senpai is week 6. So we're gonna do do I do lowercase or all? I'm gonna do no, that's the name of the song. Okay, so for Nate, his first song is called Lack of Walks. I'm gonna try it without the dashes. I can't spell. So it'd be Lack of Walks, so the name of your song, colon, the name of your character in all lowercase, colon again, the number that the week is. So for Nate, it would be 7, right? So, and then you do the same for the rest of your songs. Whoops. Okay, so you save that. Voila. You go to source, story menu.hx. You paste that in here, and then you see where it says week data array dynamic. Create an entirely new line here, and then just make it the same as the others. So for Nate, it would be lack of walks. First of all, you cannot forget your apostrophes. If you do, the game will not recognize it. Yada yada. Comma. Electrify my beats. I swear I'm always forgetting these stupid apostrophes. Electrify my beats and broken mind. Alright. Add a comma here because you just added a new week, so after Senpai's week, it will go comma and then the latest week. Do not add a comma here though. That's a bad thing. So this entire thing right here is the picture that shows up on the side of the screen when your week is highlighted. So I'm not gonna do that. You can watch vHandler's tutorial on how he did that, but I'm not gonna do that. So for me, I'm just gonna copy the top one, which is where it has nothing, boyfriend and girlfriend. So that's for Nate's week. And then this is where you name your week. So for Nate, I'm just gonna name it Nate the Great 15 because that's his name. So after you do all that, save it. All right, save that, and then you go into you go into Assets, Shared, Images. Wrong. I'm just full of disasters today. God, see, I went into Data. Story menu. You see all of this. These are the pictures that show up on the story menu thing. You can't see it because it's bright as daylight, but it says week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, etc., etc. So for Nate, I already have a picture for that, but you need to make sure that it is the exact same dimensions as the other pictures. Otherwise, it's gonna lag out. So this one is 354 by 88. That's the one that I used. All right. So when you're creating your picture for your new week, you want to make sure it's the exact same as the others. So I already have one, which is in here. Let me just grab it really quick, and I'm gonna paste it. Copy. Go back. Here. Suffer. All right. Paste this here. Name it week 7. All right. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. All right. You go to if you already have your songs, great. So if you do, go to Assets, Songs, and make a folder for your songs in all lowercase. So for Nate, his first song is Lack of Vox, and his second one is Electrify My Beats, and his last one is Broken Mind. Cool. All right, so these are where your .ogg files are gonna go. So you see all this. You don't need MP3. You don't. I use .ogg. You do not need MP3. But make sure that you have your .ogg files. I'm gonna drag his .ogg files from his source code. I just completely passed that, didn't I? I was right there in front of me, and yet I just completely passed it. How is that even possible, guys? I'm just gonna create another folder here. Paste it in the correct folder. If you don't, it's gonna be on an entirely different song. So paste that here. Boom. Then you go, and then I need my beats. Copy. Paste that in here. And then you go Broken Mind. Copy. And paste that in its designated folder. Boom. You have your audio files now. So, oops. So now we compile the game. And hopefully we get no errors. I don't think we will because I'm pretty sure I did everything correctly. I did not. I did not do anything correctly. All right, so. Oh, dear Lord. Hold on. I messed up somewhere. 59. Oh. Wait. What? Oh! Comma. Why do I always forget the freaking commas? I swear, it's like grammatical mistakes will always mess up your game. I don't understand that, but alright. Line test Windows-debug. See, if you even miss like a comma somewhere, the game will recognize it and it will call you a piece of trash. Alright? So make sure you don't forget your commas. Commas are very important. Very important. So now we wait for this to compile. Is the music still going? I wonder. It is. Cool. That's Nate's pause menu music, by the way. It's lo-fi. Do 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 do. This is gonna be super loud. Turn that down. Enter. Enter. Escape. So now if we go into story mode, it should be there. Yeah, but it's locked. Oh! Oops! I'm sorry. I forgot to unlock it. So you see this here where it says weak unlocked array? Yeah, add another true statement here. I'm sorry, that's my fault. Because if you don't, the weak is going to be locked automatically. So make sure you add another true for your weak. If you don't, it's going to be locked. But we know that that's there now, and all the songs are there now, so cool. Now, if we go into free play, your songs should also be there. I can't hear anything, so I'm not sure if it's even playing audio right now. If it is, great. But as you can see, the song lists are there with the icons, and yes. So, now that we have that, we can start working on the custom stage. So if you have a custom stage, you go to Documents, Kate Engine, Assets, Preload, Data, go down here, Stage List. Add the name of your stage. For Nate, it's Starlight City. And then you save. Alright. Now, go back, go to Shared, Images, right-click, New Folder, and name it the name of your stage. Alright. Now, I'm going to grab Nate's stage from his source code, because I don't feel like making a completely new one. That's going to take too much time. It's not in there. What? Oh, it's right. No, wait, hold on a second. Yes, it's right here. Okay, so copy. Go back. Oops. Preload. Data. No. Images. No. I'm sorry. I'm full of mistakes today. Starlight City. And paste it. Whatever this is named, copy it, because you are going to need that. So, once you have your folder there, and you have your stage in stagelist.txt, I think it's in play state. So if we go to source, play state. Oh wait, I already have it there. Whoops. And we search for school. Oh, yep, it's already here. All right, so down here, if you scroll down a lot. Wait, hold on a second. Let me search for Philly. No, what the what? No. Okay. Give me 1 second, I gotta find it. Hold on, I'm sorry. Okay, so, press Control F in play state. Type in all lowercase, case, space, apostrophe, stage. And then you'll find all this stuff. This is where all the stages and stuff are. Why that's there, I don't know. So, we're going to copy the stage. So, we're just gonna this. Copy this portion only. The rest of this stuff is for extra objects. If you want to add extra objects, copy this stuff. If you don't copy it. All right. Now, go down here, paste it, and name it the name of your stage. So for me, it's Starlight City. And then paths, I think it's in, it should be Starlight City / streets.png. I think that's correct. So, I want to make sure it's the same dimension, so I'm just going to copy this stuff from Nate's thing. Yes, I was right. I'm going to copy this stuff from Nate's thing. So for him, it's -600 and -200. So we're going to, it's already there. Great. Just awesome. Lovely. So, I think there's another thing for you to reposition the stage. Case stage. Nope, that's it. That's just it. So maybe it'll work? Yeah, okay. Add a thing after this, a little bracket. Whoa, I'm sorry, I forgot I had my keybinds on. All right, so add a bracket there after the statement where it has your stage. Save it, and pray to God that it doesn't look crazy inside the game. Yes, that's the right thing. All right, so wait for this to compile, and once it does, we can test to see if it looks weird. Okay, so now let's test it. So it doesn't matter what song you go to, as long as it's not your free play songs. If you go to the new songs that you just added to the game, it will crash because you don't have any data files. So don't go into your new songs, all right? Go into the pre-existing songs. So go to, it doesn't matter which one, I'm just going to use South because South goes hard, all right? Don't judge me. And we're going to wait for it to load. Press 7. And change the stage to your new stage. Mine says Starlight City. If you did it correct, it should be here. If you did it wrong, check your stage list.txt file and your play state file too. So we're gonna press enter. Hopefully it doesn't crash. It crashed. Images, Starlight City, streets.png. Oh, yeah, that's the problem. I put PNG. Oops. Like I said, kids, don't put PNG. That'll be that'll be a problem, wouldn't it? See, I'm sorry. I make so many mistakes. It's getting annoying. Okay. I think I did it. Starlight City. Enter. Yes, I did. See how cool that looks? So, it works. So if you did it correctly, you should have your stage in the background. Now, to make it actually look good like this does, make sure, I'm going to close this because even though South goes hard, I don't want to hear it right now. Make sure that the picture for your stage is the same as, where is it? So I'm going to go into images, and you see how stage back, its dimensions is 2560 by 1400. So that's the same size as Starlight City. That's how I did it, to make it actually look like it's not super zoomed in. Oh, mine is 1400. That's the same thing. It's fine. So, you have your custom week, you have your custom stage, and you have your custom character. Now, the songs, right? That's what you're curious about, the songs. So, we're going to go, I probably shouldn't have closed the game. We're going to go into the export folder, debug, Windows, bin, and launch Kdengen. We're going to turn this down before I blast the crap out of my ears. Enter, enter, yipperoonie. All right. we are going to go into, it doesn't matter what song. Like I said, it really doesn't. We're going to go into South as an example. And we're going to press 7. And we're going to go to song data. Erase this and name it the name of your song that is on that's in uppercase. I'm sorry. Lack of walks. Oh, that's spelled completely wrong. And then you want to press reload audio. If you did it correctly, you should not get a null reference error. If you get a null reference error, check the name of your song in free play. If it's not exactly like it is in free play, it's not going to load it. So, this is lack of walks. So, we are going to reset the chart. The BPM for this is 130. I think it's just 130. So that should, oh no. Yep, I did not mean to do that. I'm such an idiot. I'm such a retard. Okay, let's not do that again, shall we? So the BPM for lack of walks is 130. And reset the chart. And we're just gonna place random arrows. If I'm correct, because I can't hear audio, you can adjust the scroll speed if you want, but that's your option. I can't hear anything on my end. I know you can hear the game, but I can't hear it because I'm on a different audio driver. So, if I'm correct, the vocals start right when the song starts. So, we're gonna switch this over to Spooky Kids or whatever, and just place random arrows here because logic. And then we're going to change the Spooky Kids to your custom character, and we're going to change the stage to your custom stage. Ugh. And then do not press enter yet. We're going to hit save, and we're going to put this is leaks. Uh-oh, you didn't see that. We're going to put this in assets, songs. I lost track for a second. No, I'm sorry. Assets, preload, data, and this is a lack of walks, so we're gonna put this. Wait, hold on. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait. Bum. Oh, I didn't make the data folders. That was just the song folders. So, your data folders is going to be in preload, or it's going to be in assets, preload, and data. So name it the same exact thing as you did when you made the OGG files. So lack of walks, all lowercase. And then you're going to do the same thing for the rest of your songs. Okay. Don't close that. I'm sorry. Put this in lack of walks, save it, and then save it again. Put dash easy, and then put dash hard. And then hit enter. Now it should not crash. Okay, crashed. I'm sorry, you have to recompile. I always forget to recompile sometimes. Dash debug. If you did it correctly, when you launch it from the free play menu, it should work. Although if it doesn't work, either you did something wrong or I did something wrong and I just didn't notice. Oh, that was a nice stretch. Imagine this entire time it wasn't recording my microphone audio. I would be so sad. Oh, hello. Turn this down. Press enter. Escape. We're going to go to free play, and now it should work. And your first song should work. Yep, because I'm smart. Okay, so now you see that that is working. So, you're gonna want to do the same thing for your other songs. If you don't, they're not gonna work. So I'm gonna do the same thing for my other two songs, and I will be back with you in just a second. Okay, I have all my songs in the data folders now. So we're gonna do lime test windows -debug, and hopefully, if you don't mind all this, this is just me charting. Hopefully the rest of the song should work. If you get a null object reference error when starting your songs from the free play menu, either you renamed them wrong or you didn't create a data folder. You need a data folder in order to launch the songs from free play. Alright? Another thing I forgot to mention, when you compile, if you're on Windows, you do lime test Windows. If you're on Mac, you do lime test Mac. If you're on Linux, you do lime test Linux. Alright? I forgot to mention that way in the beginning of the video. My bad. I need water. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, I got my water. Fail to update resources. That's new. Ugh. Alright. Okay. Hopefully they should work. If they don't, then I messed up somewhere. Yep, this works. And this works. Cool. So, now, since all your songs work from the free play menu, they should also work when you start your week. So we're just gonna try this. Hold on. Yes, sir. All right. I'm smart. Cool. So, you have your stage, you have your character, you have your songs. You also have your week. Now, time for the extra bits. So, if you want to add cutscenes to your week, so that's gonna be so difficult for me to show you. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so to add cutscenes, you need a few things. First off, you need this. This is like the FNF video code. So you go up here to code, download as a zip file, and paste it wherever you want to paste it. Yada yada yada. Once that is done, go to wherever the heck you pasted it. For me, I already extracted it. So for me, it's in FNF mod stuff. Can y'all shut up? Oh my gosh. And you go in here. So this is the good stuff. All right. So for starters, let's go to your mod files, your source code. Go to assets. In this area right here, right click, add a new folder, and name it videos, all lowercase. All right, all lowercase. Then you're going to you're going to want to come in here, copy this, and paste this in your videos folder. Wow. Do not delete this. Never delete this. or else your video will not play. All right. Then you're going to come in here, copy all this stuff, and paste it in your source folder. Cool. Now all your good stuff is there. All right. You can now close this. All right. Give me 1 second. Okay. So once you have all that stuff done, you're gonna want to. I have a file for it because I never remember the stupid code. You're gonna want to open up command prompt. So for me, that would be Windows key R, and then type in CMD. All right. Then you have this. So once you have command prompt open, copy this code, and this will be in the description, BTW. So just copy, and then paste it, and then press enter. I already have all this stuff installed, so yeah, it's gonna say that I already have it installed. So if you don't have it installed, it's gonna be different. These are all separate lines, so I'm just gonna keep putting these in here. Yep, it's gonna update my WebM extension. By the way, your videos have to be .webm. If they're not, it's not gonna play. All right, just putting that out there. All right, now that that's done, you want to copy this last line of code. Wow. Oops, oops, oops. And then paste it in here. Boom. Press enter, and it's gonna rebuild your extension, just to make sure that there's no errors. Okay. So that's done. You no longer need command prompt. You no longer need this stuff. All right. So once you're done with that, wait, hold on a second. I forgot. Yeah. So once you're done with that, go back to your source code. Go into source. Find where it says Main.hx. Open this back up, and put this in here. And then do Control F and type in frick. Wait, I forgot what it was called. Yeah, so oops, wait. So Control F, type in addChild, frick me. I need help, bro. I need serious help. Okay, so I'm sorry. So it's addChild game. So you see this right here? You're going to want to do this. I think it's under. I think. Wait. Yep. So it's under this. So and you want to paste this behemoth of code. You see all this? Paste this. This is also. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. This is also going to be in the description. All right. So don't change anything. Leave that there. Save it. Wow, you did something. Cool, right? So now, yeah. So now go back to your source code. Source code. God, I can't talk. Go into Project.xml. Scroll until you find where it says libraries. All right. Under here, under this line right here, you're going to want to hit enter, paste. Again, all will be in the description. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. And then press save. Wow. That was a lot of instructions, wasn't it? You're not done though. So now we come to this page. This looks really confusing, doesn't it? I know. It's stuff for making your videos. You'll see. Download whatever your operating system is. For me, I'm using Windows, so download Windows 64. Shared. Don't download anything else. Shared. I already have this. So once you extract it, oh my god, I need water. Jesus God. Okay. Once you extract it, find where you extracted it to. For me, it's in here. Go into it. go into bin. You see all this junk? Don't touch it. Don't touch nothing. Nothing. All right. So I'm going to delete that because that's not supposed to be there. So you're going to find the video that you want to put in the game. It needs to be MP4. All right. So I don't know what I did with mine. It's somewhere on my desktop. Well, no, wait, shoot, shiver me timbers. All right, so we're gonna use this as an example. No, first of all, that's MP3. What did I do with all the stupid freaking cutscenes? Okay, so we're just gonna use the trailer as a cutscene. All right, so we're going to copy this, paste it in this ffmpeg folder, go into bin, paste it here, rename it to your video.mp4, all lowercase, no spaces. So open up PowerShell in this directory, open up PowerShell, and then paste this again in the description. So paste this. This is really small. So Control V, and then press enter. It's gonna give you a number. So for me, it gives me 2247. So close this. Create a text file. Name it whatever you want your video to be called. For me, I'm just gonna call it trailer. And inside of this file, paste that exact same number. So for me, it's 2247. And then press save. Now, you're going to close that. And you want to convert this to WebM. So, I like to use... Hold on, let me show you. I like to use... So, if I type in MP4 to WebM, VP8, do not forget the VP8. You see this where it says videoonlineconvert.com? That's what I like to use. Alright, so you're going to drag your video into this website, and it's going to upload it, and then you're going to convert it. So start conversion, and then it's going to convert it to a WebM. Oh my gosh. Hurry up, please. Thank you. Download and paste it in your source code. So go to Assets, Videos, and paste it here. Name it the same exact thing you named the text file. Trailer. I don't think that's how you spell it, but alright. So save it there. Then go back into this folder. Grab your text file. Copy. Go to your source code. Videos. Paste it here. Voila. Now, you need a .ogg file. So we're going to search MP4 to OGG converter. I guess we can use this. This one is also good. This is the same thing. So drag your MP4 video, FNF mod stuff, this in here, this. So drag your MP4 video into this website again, and it's going to convert it to a .ogg file this time. Start conversion. I'm so sorry if I'm going too fast. If you have any questions, please do not be afraid to let me know. So this is going to be called... Oh, it's already in the right directory. Cool. This is going to be called trailer. So name it the same exact thing as your video and your text file. Trailer. Wow, look at that. Alright, so now that all that's taken care of, you can now close this. This is no longer needed. And you don't need this anymore either. So now go back to your source code, go to source. So you want to start it when you select the week, right? So you go to, I think I already have it open, start story menu. Wow, you see all this gorgeous stuff? No? Oh. Okay, so, go to story menu, state.hx, do Control F, and type in play state campaign score. Boom. Now, you should find something called loading state, load and switch state, right? So, what you want to do, above that, make a new space, and paste this. Whoops, wrong thing. So you want to, whoa. Okay, calm down, everybody. So, you want to do, if current week equals whatever your week is. So for me, it's 7. And then, actually, I'll just copy and paste it. So you see this right here. If current week equals, oh, see, this is why I want to copy and paste it. If it equals 7, right, we're going to copy this whole thing. So, get rid of this. Paste this. And then get rid of this too. Wait. That's going to be confusing. There we go. All right, so if current week equals 7, loading state, switch it to video state, and then you're going to want to play the name of your video. So for me, it will be trailer. So I'm going to give you a minute to copy this. All right. So I'll just wait. All right. You can also pause it. You know, I'm still sitting here. Okay. And now that that's done, hopefully I did that right. I think I'm missing a bracket. No, I'm not. Wait. No, I'm not. I'll be fine. Alright, so, save that. And now when you compile, it should give you no errors. This is really risky, though, because you can get a lot of errors from this. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a video state error, right? From video state.hx, line 48. Is that what's going to happen? Yep. So, yeah. So it's video state. So if you get an error that says, where is it? Video state.hx line 48 cannot access static field skip step limit. Go to your source code. Go to source. Find video state.hx. Find where it says. Let's put this in visual code, shall we? Instead of Notepad. Find where it says skip step limit. It says it's on line 48. This right here, get rid of this. For some reason, that's causing the game not to compile, so we're going to save that, and now we're going to recompile. Now we should be all good, hopefully. I just popped my arm. Ow! Ugh. Sorry, I was stretching. And I just popped the mess out of my arm. God, Jesus. It's gonna take a minute to compile because you just added a new extension, which is the video thing. So give it a second. It's gonna read all of its files and it's gonna put it all inside the game and then it's gonna launch it. So just give it a few minutes or seconds, depending on your PC. See, for me it was a few seconds. How long have I been recording for? An hour and 44 minutes. Wow. Cool, I guess. Yeah, just waiting for it to launch. Waiting for it to launch. Hello? Hello? Bruh, if you don't... Sigh. Whoa, wait! It's 3 o'clock? Wait! I swear it was like 11! Whoa! Trippy. Oh, thank God. Alright, it's about to compile. Thank Jesus. Could you move any slower? Alright, yeah, okay. What? Okay, I think I did something wrong. File, open assets, videos, do not delete game. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did I not put that in the right folder? Am I stupid? Am I stupid? Or... Yeah, watch Brightfire's tutorial on that. For some reason, I have to fix something. I don't know what it would... Hold on. Okay, so I am just the stupidest person in all of humanity. This... No. This is supposed to go inside a preload. I'm so sorry. I don't know why the heck I thought it was just supposed to sit in here. No, it's supposed to go in preload. And to make sure I'm right on that... Hold on, let me check Nate's source files. Yeah, I'm stupid. It was supposed to go in... Okay. It was supposed to go in preload. My bad. I'm sorry. Don't do what I did earlier. My bad. Okay. So, lime test windows dash debug. Debug. Thank you. Alright, I will get back to you when the game is compiled. Okay. Yeah, see, now it's launching. I don't know why the heck I thought it was supposed to go in that assets folder. I'm so stupid. So now when you launch your week, it should play the video. Close that. Story mode. And we go to the new week. And we press enter. Yep, see, now it's playing the trailer. And if it's lagging, if the audio is lagging, I can't hear it, but if it is lagging, it's the type of file that your video is and the OGG file is. So, that's how you add cutscenes at the start of your week. If you want to add them in between, let me show you. Yeah, so if you want to add cutscenes in between your week, you're gonna need to go to play state. Crud. I'm gonna close both of these because I don't know which one is which. So we're gonna go to play state. So first off, go to your source code. Source code. God, Jesus. So source, play state, put that in there, and I'm gonna copy off of the one from Nate's source files because I don't remember what I did. Play state, play state, play state, play state right here. All right, so now let me find something really quick. Case electrify right here. So you see this right here. Find this. So copy, Control F, and paste. So it's playlist.song equals song.load from JSON. So once you find this line of code, it's somewhere around like 2518, somewhere around there. You're gonna want to just put this whole thing right here. So this is gonna go underneath this. Oy, that's so unorganized. So name it to the song that you want the cutscene to play on. Put the video name that you want it to play with. So this will be trailer. And then I think this should be default, shouldn't it? Yes, it should. So it should say right here, default. And then add another bracket. Alright, so, yes, so now, after your first song is done, this should make the trailer play again before your second song. So save this, and we're gonna compile again. And we're gonna see if this works. So, because I don't have any other arrows in my charting, it's just sitting here waiting for the song to finish. So, once it finishes, it should play the second cutscene. If it doesn't, there's a problem. So we're gonna wait for this to finish. I have no clue what the heck it's at because I can't hear the game. So we're gonna just sit here and wait for this to finish. In the meantime, how's your mod going? Cool, cool. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. I will be glad to answer them. Also, this song is from Nate's mod, so again, it's on Game Banana if you guys want to go see it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It didn't play it. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I messed something up, didn't I? Yes, I did. This should have no dashes, because that is bad, because the song in the game files has no dashes. So now I need to do that all over again. And now I'm getting a phone call. Awesome! Alright, so I fixed it. I'm pretty sure I fixed it. My friends are literally in the chat talking about a Taco Bell incident that we made as a skit. Don't ask questions, but the video should play now. If it doesn't, rename your or fix the title of your song. And make sure that it's the correct video title as in the game files. So the text file with the numbers and the video and OGG file should all have the same name. If they don't, it's not going to work. So I'm just waiting for this to finish. Please hurry up and finish. I can't tell whether or not it's done or not because I can't hear the game. Only you can. So please, Jesus God, hurry up. Waiting. Da 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 da. Waiting. Yep, there it goes. See? I'm smart. So, if you want to have it also go after your third song, just do the exact same thing, but copy this inside the brackets. So, copy, paste, put it on the song that you want the cutscene to play. So for me, it will be Broken Mind. And yeah, that's it. So that's how you do cutscenes. Yep. And that's how you make a mod, honestly, because I don't think there's anything else I need to cover. Yeah, that's it. If you want to remove the weeks, just remove them from the game files. Don't remove any of the characters or songs, or else the game will crash. But I'm talking about like remove the songs from free play and remove the weeks from the story menu.hx thing. So we're basically done here. So guess what, guys? Guess what? Guess what? You just made your first Friday Night Funkin' mod. Crazy, right? And you did it with my help. So if you have questions, put them in the comments. I will look for them and I will answer them. This video is over 2 hours long, so God knows when the heck this will be uploaded. And thank you guys for tuning in. And I will possibly make updated videos in the future. So thank you. So I will see you guys next time, I guess. Uh, Goodbye. Also, look out for Versus 47 Emerald coming out somewhere in October on my Game Banana page. Yay!